and I would like to show you some prices here. Isn't this an amazing?
The sun is pink. What do you think?
Good morning, dear friends, from here, from Barbados. In today's video we are going to show you the most beautiful beaches in Barbados, and today we are starting with Barbados Beach, just behind me. You know, Barbados is famous for rum production as well, so you can find plenty on the islands, but it's just incredible, interesting. There is one here on the beach.
And from Barbados Beach, we walk around 20 minutes and we arrive to the second beach that we want to explore today, Paradise Beach. I will say this is kind of the entrance, and it looks a little bit different, but it's the same beautiful and amazing vibe. Yes, and the third beach that we are going to visit is Bats Rock Beach. It's a very short walking distance from the Paradise Beach, probably like 10 minutes, not even. And it looks like this. It's nice because it is some shadowing here and you can relax. The sand is not so great. But yeah, I would say the scenery is really amazing. A few abandoned buildings in the area, which is not great, but who knows? Probably it's due to the economy. Everything what we saw until now is amazing. We are really impressed.
And I would like to show you some prices here on this lovely beach. I just love this. Have a look. Recycling. I just love this beach. It's not that big, it's quite a small beach. The houses behind me there reminds me about Italy, Portofino, I don't know. What do you think? Guys, it's so beautiful in here.
Probably if we are thinking in terms of facilities, and the best combination is this beach, honestly, because there are more facilities. You have plenty of shadows. The sun is incredibly fine and beautiful. I think this is my favorite, honestly.
Oh,
But
okay.
if you are enjoying the quiet place, then Brandon is the beach for you. Yeah, honestly, amazing.
I really enjoyed the Brandon Beach because we are alone there for a couple of hours. Barely see one or two tourists passing by. What do you think, dear friends? Isn't this an amazing beach?
And this is the fourth beach we are going to visit, Carlisle Bay.
Guys, I don't know where are we going, but Walking on this beach is like oh, walking in the paradise. Good morning, dear friends. We are now in the Bridgetown South Bus Terminal. We are planning to go to Crane Beach, which is one of the most, if not the most beautiful beach south of Barbados.
Good morning! A new day and a new beach. Then this is going to be the 5th beach that we are going to visit. Unfortunately, it's a rainy day, but it doesn't matter. It was raining the whole night, and it did rain a little bit in the morning, but now the sunshine is up. We need to cross the street. Let's see. Okay, then we came here by bus, by the local buses, the reggae buses, and it was a great experience. I don't have really words to express my gratitude to the local people. Honestly, they are so friendly. We didn't have small change, we didn't have small money, and they were like there in the bus terminal. They were all saying, "Oh, do you have any change? Do you have any change? Let's change the money for them." And they were all like, let's do it, and incredible, honestly. Thank you so much for being so friendly. Then the next beach is going to be Crane Beach. We are expecting to be big waves because of the rain, but hopefully, even so, even if it's going to rain, we are still going to swim. Then stay with us.
Dear friends, this is the first impact with this beautiful beach. It's just great, isn't it? This is the other side of the beach. It's quite wild beach, I would say. There are big waves, very good for surfing.
Crane Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches from here, from Barbados. Not only because of the amazing scenery and the color of the water, but the sun is pink. Imagine, it's still amazing, honestly. Come and have a better look.
And dear friends, we were lucky enough, the rain just stopped, and we are now going to show you the beach number 6, which is Dover Beach. This is such a beautiful beach. It's not as big as I was expecting, but it's lovely. Dear friends, it's so good in here, and I would like to add something. We've been so far, we visited so far 6 beaches. None of them disappointed us.
Oh yeah, that's true. And this is the reality. See, we are in the water now. The sun is up. It is amazing. Everyone is enjoying it. It's really nice, honestly. You can see your toes. Yeah. And here it is, the 7th beach we are going to visit today, called Mullin Bay. We're right here by the public bus with the reggae buses, and it was a great experience. Let's have a look.
It's not a very long beach, it's quite a small beach. Sandy Beach, it's okay. I would say that is the first beach from Barbados that I'm okay with, but not very impressed. A bed here on Mullin Beach costs 25 Barbadian dollars. Obviously, you have a small table and an umbrella as well.
And only a few minutes walk from Mullin's Bay is another beach. I think it's my opinion, my honest opinion, I think is much better than Mullin's Bay. It's beautiful, like really, really beautiful. Look at this. Check out. What do you think? It's really nice, isn't it? Honestly. What else can you ask for?
Dear friends, is amazing in here. And I would like to tell you that on our first sabbatical year, we haven't been to a country with most beautiful beaches than Barbados. So, highly recommended. Dear friends, it's time to end this video about the most beautiful beaches in Barbados.
I will add the 8 most beautiful beaches from Barbados
You are
that
right.
we visited, we saw. And let's be very short, and let's say my favorite one is Brandon's Beach.
Okay, that's very interesting. I liked all of them so much, and this doesn't really happen to me. But I would like to say that the last beach we saw, Mullin Beach, I didn't really like so much. But Gibbs Beach next to Mullin Beach, it was wow, wow, and wow.
Yes, it was a very good experience, and we didn't really find this beach on any top beaches from Barbados. I would like to add this one because it's beautiful, honestly. Also, but this is our honest and personal idea. Yeah, don't take it as general or don't take it personal, guys.
Just follow it and you won't be sorry.
Oh no, try everything and do your own top beaches from Barbados. Also Dover, I saw that was kind of rated second most beautiful. I wouldn't say that. Yeah, for
Yeah.
me, Brandon is the best.
Fair enough. I highly recommend you to find your accommodation anywhere near Brandon's Beach because it is a beautiful beach.
Then this.
With that being said, we are going to say goodbye for now, and hope you will find our video interesting, and hope you will subscribe to our channels, and really hope that you will share your opinion with us.
Yep. See you soon.
See you soon.